Good morning. Let's see if I can get the lighting is just not very good today. We are headed out to the lake. So my kitchen is a disaster because I'm trying to pack lunch and I was not prepared for this. I'm actually heading out to Mill to go fishing and swimming. We have an awesome park with a lake that is about 30 minutes from here. We have one just down the road, but we found the one that's a little farther is a little more remote and less people go there, so that's where we're headed. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing for lunch last minute. Aaron suggested going to the Dollar General for lunch meat, and I was like, no, we're not eating that. So I draw the line at Dollar General lunch meat. Berries all the way from South Carolina. I got some leftover cherries. I'm bringing, this is the beauty of canning and putting up some food. I've got a jar of pickles and a jar of Miss Judy's pickled green beans, which have pepper in them for a little bit of heat. They're delicious. So I'm gonna bring those. We're gonna try them and see if I did her, if I made her proud and see what everybody else thinks about them. And then we've got a sink full of dirty dishes, half drank coffee, half eaten breakfast, and I'm making deviled eggs, which we call holy eggs around here. So I am just using this leftover, like, it reminded me of a Thousand Island dressing sauce that I made, and add a little pickle juice to that. I've got more eggs cooling, so we're gonna eat that for lunch, and then we told the kids that they can stop and get some chips. We have a awesome local grocery store, which I will show you. It's not really a grocery store, it's more of a little shop you can stop at. But when you're coming into our town, if you're coming into our town, it's just over the big mountain that you have to go over to get here. But we'll stop there, and we always let the kids pick something out, and we've gotten to know the people that own it and run it, and it's really a great little place. I'm also needing to squeeze in milking, and Aaron is down there loading up the truck. The kids want to go fishing. Oh, and then I wanted to tell you too, I've decided to hold myself accountable. Now it's really bright out here. And I'm doing the 3 Rivers every little bit counts challenge. So what that is every day you put something up, whether that's in the freezer or you can it or you dehydrate it, however you want to preserve it. And hopefully that will get me from like putting off the little things. So like right now I've got blueberries that my sister-in-law sent over with my mother-in-law from South Carolina. So that's my goal today, is to get those taken care of. What? Oh, a spider? It'll be okay. So for me, it's more of every day putting up those little things that get kind of pushed aside for the big things. Like if I've got a big bushel of green beans that need to be done, I won't do the blueberries. So it just kind of forces me to do that. Sometimes I need guidance. So I'm gonna milk this sweet girl right here, and then we are headed off to the lake. I might fish. Did you bring my fishing pole? Oh, he is bad boy. Get him out from there. He'll get sick. He cannot eat out of there.
No?
No, it's chicken feed. Goats cannot eat chicken feed.
It's just...
I know it's the scratch grains, but still. No, get the stick over there and push him out. All right, let's get you girls fed. The baby's in the barn. I got Belle in the barn.
Okay. Do you want me to go give her some food?
I already gave Belle food. I know.
This will be fun.
Got one.
Hold on, hold it.
Oh! They're rowdy. Here, put those naughty boys in the box. Oh my goodness. Mama's in there. It's okay. He did not like that.
They're so big and heavy. They're so hefty.
Okay, now I can milk in peace. Those babies are naughty. I have to lock them in the barn. If not, they're over here on the stand, like terrorizing everything. They're eating my skirt. They're trying to eat Faith's food. They're just like little tornadoes everywhere they go. It's hysterical and we love it, but goodness, they complicate things. So we are really working hard to take a day of rest. Anytime you work 9 to 5 or you're in ministry like us, no matter what you're doing, it is so very important that you take a day with your family and go have fun. So we are doing our best to one day a week unplug and spend time with one another. Unplug and unwind. Thanks for coming along with us today. May the Lord bless and keep you. Until next time.